Hi everyone, welcome to this channel Zoology Bio. In this series of video I am talking about the enzymes, the chemistry of enzymes. And in this video I want to discuss about the enzymes, the introduction of enzymes, the characteristics of enzymes and about the coenzymes and the classification of coenzymes. So please watch till the last. Let's start with the introduction of enzymes. Enzymes are another important group of biomolecules synthesized by the living cells. They are catalysts of biological systems, hence are called as biocatalysts, colloidal, thermolevial, and protein in nature. They are remarkable molecular devices that determine the pattern of chemical transformations. They also mediate the transformation of defined forms of energy. The striking characteristics of enzymes are their catalytic power and specificity. Actions of most enzymes are under strict regulation in a variety of ways. Substances on which enzymes act and convert them into products are called substrates. Now have a look to the different characters of enzymes. The catalytic activity of enzymes. Enzymes have immense catalytic power and accelerate reactions at least 1,000,000 times by reducing the energy of activation. Before a chemical reaction can occur, the reacting molecules are required to gain a minimum amount of energy. This is called the energy of activation. It can be decreased by increasing the temperature of the reaction medium, but in human body, which maintains a normal body temperature fairly constant, it is achieved by enzymes. Now, protein nature of enzymes. In general, with the exception of ribozymes, which are few RNA molecules with enzymatic activity, all the enzymes are protein in nature with large molecular weight. Few enzymes are simple proteins, while some are conjugated proteins. In such enzymes, the non-protein part is called prosthetic group or coenzyme, and the protein part is called as apoenzyme. The complete structure of apoenzyme and prosthetic group is called as holoenzymes. In simple word, holoenzymes is equal to apoenzymes protein part plus coenzyme prosthetic group. Certain enzymes with only one polypeptide chain in their structure are called as monomeric enzymes. Like for example, the ribonuclease. Several enzymes possesses more than one polypeptide chain and are called as oligomeric enzymes. Like for example, lactate dehydrogenase, hexokinase, etc. Each single polypeptide chain of oligomeric enzyme is called as subunit. When many different enzyme catalyzing reaction sites are located at different sites of the same macromolecule, it is called as multi-enzyme complex. The complex becomes inactive when it is fractionated into smaller units, each bearing individual enzyme activity. Like some example, fatty acid synthetase, carbamyl phosphate synthetase 2, pyruvate dehydrogenase, prostaglandin synthetase, etc. Now let's see to the coenzyme. Certain enzymes require a specific thermostable, low molecular weight, non-protein organic substances called as coenzyme. A coenzyme may bind covalently or no covalently to the apoenzyme. The term prosthetic group denotes a covalently bonded enzyme. It is generally observed that reactions involving oxidoreductions, group transfer, isomerization, and covalent bond formation require coenzyme. Since the involvement of coenzyme in a given reaction on a substrate is so intimate that coenzyme is often called as co-substrate or second substrate. Many coenzymes are derived as the physiologically active forms from the constituents of vitamin B complex, like pantothenic acid, COASH, vitamin B12, cobamide, folic acid, tetrahydrofolate, niacin, NAD+, NADP, riboflavin, FMN, FAD, pyridoxine, pyridoxal phosphate, thiamine, TPP. Now have a look to the classification of coenzymes. Coenzymes can be classified according to the group whose transfer they facilitate. Based on this concept, we may classify coenzymes as follows. For transfer of groups other than hydrogen: sugar phosphates COASH, thiamine pyrophosphate TPP, pyridoxal phosphate, folate coenzymes, biotin, copamide coenzyme. For transfer of hydrogen: NAD+, NADP+, FMN, FAD, lipoic acid coenzyme. In addition, heme acts as coenzyme in cytochromes, peroxidase and PG synthetase complex. Many coenzymes contain adenine, ribose and phosphate and are derivatives of adenosine monophosphate AMP such as NADFAD. And that's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button to this video as much as possible. To get more videos related this topic, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.